All right. Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection Service. Christian has a new home with a geothermal system.
Hmm.
And there's a lot of people buying new homes this year because there are not as many resales out there. And so, uh, Christian has heard us talk about cleaning the outside motor. Is it a condenser on the outside we talked about a couple of weeks
Yeah,
ago?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, outside motor assembly, when we talked about it a couple of weeks ago to keep it working in
Mhm.
best condition. And then he started looking outside. He says, looking for that condenser. He says he
Yeah.
couldn't find it. So
No.
he's wondering, do geothermal systems not use outside cooling systems?
No, geothermals are using the ground for all that evaporative cooling and heating. So they're a completely different setup. And the one thing I will tell you is that if you own a home that has a geothermal system, make sure that you're working with an HVAC company that has some knowledge and some areas of specialization in geothermal, because they can be that a lot of people will work on because they look like they're a relatively simple system, but the HVAC tech really needs to know what he's doing. They're great systems, last a long, long time, but they need to be maintained by someone who's got the knowledge and expertise to work on them.
So, on that note, is there anything that Christian or anybody else who has a geothermal system? LaDonna and I have one in the house that we bought in Norton Commons last year. Is there anything that we should be doing to keep them in top operating order?
Just keep the filters changed out. It's the same type of setup. The setup on a new home, Bob, you probably know this, but the thermostats work a little bit differently. So you need to make sure that the thermostat was set up correctly for the system. Again, this is important to have someone who knows that system doing it, and then just getting it serviced twice a year. I mean, that should take care of almost all of the challenges that you would face.
Got it. And one of the things you want to do, if you don't have a reliable HVA system, a
Mhm.
company that services them, is to go look at online reviews to make sure you Google the name of the company or Google reviews for HVAC companies and look for the ones that have a good rating from their clients because let's face it, you want to make sure you have a good experience as well.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you that because what I'm about to tell you is something that we're very proud of, and that is our reviews ourselves. And we really do think we do a good job, but you can tell by going to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com. Those are redirects to our reviews both on Google and on Zillow.